chatting. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Juvie. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't yet already, and please click the bell button down there so you'll get notified whenever I have a new uploaded video. So this video is a collaboration with Sis Nicole Fowler. So this is her YouTube account. Ito. If hindi nyo nakikita, I'll put the link of her YouTube account in the description box below, or I'll put it on the card above. So check nyo. Subscribe kayo sa channel niya. She's so pretty. So today's video is a get ready with me video. Actually, this is the first time that I'm going to do a get ready with me video, because I think hahaba siya pag gagawa ako ng get ready with me video. Kasi ang daldal ko kung ano-ano mga nasasabi ko sa aking video. So come on, let's get ready with me. Gagawin kong look today is perfect for school makeup. So, yun ang aming topic for today. So, yan, concealer, primer lang to. So, if I'm a student, ito yung makeup na gagawin ko. Hindi na kasi ako student. So, kung estudyante ako at nag-aaral ako sa mga panahong ito yung gagawin kong makeup look araw-araw pag pumapasok ako sa school. So, before putting on makeup, you must do these 4 things bago pumasok sa school. Dapat mag-breakfast kayo or kumain kayo kahit anong oras pa yan. Second is mag-toothbrush kayo. Third is maligo kayo. And then fourth is mag-skincare kayo before kayo mag-makeup. Kasi dapat skin first before makeup. Products na ginagamit ko is affordable at madaling mahanap sa department store. So, perfect talaga sa mga estudyante. Kasi di ba pag student, wala pa naman masyadong pabili makeup, not unless mayaman kayo and supportive ang parents nyo sa makeup. So, go lang ng go. So, recently, I learned this technique from Paul Onating. Kung kilala niyo siya. So, sabi niya, nakadiscover siya ng pangmalakasan at pangmatagalang technique para hindi agad mahulas yung makeup. Tapos, lakas lang maka-fresh. So, sabi niya, manipis lang na foundation or liquid foundation. Tapos, super daming powder. Iset siya ng super daming powder para maghapon na siya at hindi siya matagal at malakas maka-fresh ang makeup. Ayan, tinadtad ko na ng powder yung face ko. Ayan, diba ang puti? Muna. So, yun, ngayon magkikilay lang ako. Tapos, blend lang ng spoolie. Ang secret lang naman is i-blend nyo ng maigi yung eyeshadow. Tapos, brown eyeliner dito sa waterline. Of course, eyeliner. Tapos, manipis lang na guhit. Thin lines lang. Tapos, we apply a face powder. Of course, curl your lashes. Magko-contour ako ng konti ng face kasi flat na flat yung face. Kasi super paputi. Tapos, chubby cheeks pa. So, lalagay lang ako ng konti.
in the backseat of your Rover.
Diba may bangs ako? Doon ko nag-eyeglass